and today we are here to share some OT strategies with you. So first OT strategy will be, which you can do at home, is you can have some cloths of different textures. I've taken one rough cloth and one softer one. So I'll be using the softer one first. You can rub it on the hands from top to bottom like this, on all the sides, and you have to do it like this, and in the same way you can do it on the other side also. So this is with a soft cloth. I'm giving a massage to Anushka, and then I use a harder one, and then I give it like this from top to bottom on both the upper extremities like this. And after giving this, what you can do is you have to give approximation on the joints, like on the elbow, on the wrist, and on these on the joints of the digits. So like this you can go 1 2 3 4 5. On the wrist you have to first stretch it, and then you have to approximate. Stretch, approximate. 1 2 3 4. Now same on these interphalangeal joints. 1 2 3 4 5. On all these small joints you can hold them together, stretch them, and then again give deep pressure onto it. If you are not comfortable doing this, what you can ask the child to do is do some wall push-ups like this. The elbow of the child should be straight and the wrist should be in this position and the fingers on the wall, and let the child push, 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 push. This will give pressure on all the joints, on the shoulder, elbow, wrist, and also on these joints of the digits. Now the next, you can use a ball to do some exercises with the child. Is like, I ask the child to catch, throw, catch, throw, catch, throw. You can also give the child, if the child is not able to catch and throw, you can just slide the ball towards the child. Hold. Then with the ball you can say, the ball goes up. The ball goes up, and the child has to look in that direction. Up. Now the child goes, the ball goes behind. Piche. You can use Hindi, English, whichever way you are comfortable. Now the ball comes in front. So, and then you can ask the child to sit back to back. If the child understands and take your commands, and then you can pass the ball. Take. This is towards the side. You can give from overhead like this. Okay. Now turn. Now the other OT games which you can play with your child is the wrestling game. These wrestling games could be played like this. Ask the child to give the hand and push the child, and let the child push you, and then you push the child back, and now let the child push you. So you can see the child uses lot of strength, lot of muscles are used in this, and the joints are approximated. So when the child pushes you, push Anushka, you can see the effort used, and the elbows are getting straight, and the wrists are also forcing me behind. So this is how this simple wrestling game can be used as an OT activity at home. I'm sure that everyone would be having cushions at home, so you can use the cushions in your OT games. And this is how you place one cushion, you can place another cushion, and you can ask the child to crash onto it. So Anushka, will you do it for me?
Yes.
Okay. Come and crash. Huh? From where have you come? Huh? Was it magic? So Aradhya, will you do it for me? Will you crash onto it?
Yes.
She loves doing it. And so that is why she's here. Come. Huh? Now you have come, Anushka. How come? This is magic. Both of these girls love crashing onto it. So the whole day goes like this. So come and crash onto it. Now Aradhya is here. So Aradhya, now you do your favorite activity. Crash. Crash onto it. Yes. So this is how you can use the cushions at home, and you can also give some bouncing if you don't have the therapy ball at home. Yes. And one more way you can use this is, Aradhya, please go back. Go back. Come and lie on it. Come forward. Come forward. Yes. So you can make the child lie on one of the cushion and then keep the other cushion on the top of it, and then you can make a sandwich of the child and give some pressure. Give comfortable pressure, not very high pressure. And you can give the pressure everywhere. Like this, you can give the pressure to the child. This helps in relaxing and helps in settling the nervous system. And now here you can see on the floor I have put the tape, and I'll ask the child to walk on it. This activity is very good for special orientation. The child knows where he has to walk, and also he or she will know the directions. So I asked Aradhya, please take this toy, pick it up and walk on the line and put it in the basket. Now come again, come back. Now take another toy